and welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today I'll be talking about how to reduce the size of an image online and offline and on both the platforms, that is Android and iOS. But before starting, I would request all of you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So what is a compression? Compression utilizes special mathematical techniques to reduce the file size while maintaining its resolution. Think of its way to fit more data in the same amount of area. For example, if you are packing a suitcase and you stuff too much clothes in it and it is not closing. So what do you do? You will compress them to close the suitcase. So similar is the compressing technique in images. Thus a 2 MB file can be compressed to 40 KBs. The only warning is that too much compression can somewhat reduce image quality. First method is doing it online. For doing it online, we will type reduce the size of image on Google. It will show us many results here. We can see there are many results, but I will be going with image2go.com. So click on this and this page will open up. So here we are compressing the size. To confirm, I have again clicked on this. We are compressing the size and choose the file. Now for choosing a file, I have taken this file. This is a big file, big image. It will be uploaded here. Till that time we are doing some settings here. So first of all, before starting, I will set which kind of file I want. Image file or a JPG file or PNG file. Then after compression, what do I want? The best quality or the smallest file size or the quality I can decide manually. So I will be deciding this by reducing the size, and the quality should be 40%. It is a very big file, so if we compromise on quality, the quality won't be that poor. So a file has been uploaded here, you can see here, and this is 5.98 is the MB is the size of the file. So now we will start, and it is started. Processing is being done here, and after processing, see, it is showing that it has compressed the file size by 80.5%. and now the size is 1.17 MB, which was earlier 5.98 MB. So similarly, if I want to reduce the size further, I can put this image, the reduced image, further in this compress image thing, and we can further compress the size. Now this is the file which we have compressed, and you can see that it is still very clear, very precise, and the quality is not that compromised, because you can see everything is clear here. So quality is not poor. And I will list down all the website names in the description box from where you can reduce the size of images. Method number 2 is doing it offline, that is by downloading the app in your mobile phones. So first we will do for iOS. To compress a photo on iOS, there is an app available on App Store named as Compress Photos and Pictures. And this is the logo of Compress Photos and Pictures. We will open this app. Here, if you can see, there is a plus button. I will tap on this button and it will ask me which photo do you want to compress. So I have this photo to compress. I will select this photo from here and next. Next, it is asking me for the photo quality, that up to what quality you want to maintain, and the photo dimensions. So I can accordingly increase or decrease. For example, I am keeping it as 70%, the dimension should be same, and the photo quality should be retained up to 50%. Alright, so there is some small text written here which is known as preview. So I can beforehand see how the picture will look like after the compression. For example, see here, this is the photo which is before. This is the original photo. When I will tap on this, I will see that this is the photo after compression. It looks almost similar, so I'm liking this and I will compress this. Now the compression has started and the photo has been compressed. Here it is showing me that before the photo was 3 MB. After the compression it has been reduced to 252.8 KBs and I have saved almost 2.7 MBs. So the photo has been reduced, and it is also asking me about how if I want to delete the original photo or I want to keep the original photo. So in this case I am keeping the original photo. Click on this and we are done. So let me show you how does it look like. This is the photo which we have compressed. If you can see, it is still very much clear. It is almost looking like the original one. There is no quality deterioration in this. Next we have Android. So on Android phones we have an app known as Lit Photo, which is available easily on Play Store. So this is what the Lit Photo icon look like. I will open this up and here I will find three options. Number one, compress photos, resize photos and crop photos. So here we are concerned with compressing the photos, so I will select compress photos. Now I can select from my gallery which photo I want to compress. For example, I want to compress this photo which is 3.6 MBs of size. Now to compress it, first of all I will select the quality, up to what quality I want my picture should be. So I am selecting this as 50%. Alright, now I will select size. So what size do I want? Let's say I am selecting the size as 200 KBs. Now it's done and I want to maintain the resolution and I will start compressing. So the photo is being compressed here and now it has been compressed and it will be showing me that the result is, originally the photo was 3.6 MBs and now after the compression the photo is 223 KBs. In the gallery there is a folder called Lit Photo and here I can see the photo which I have compressed. So here also you can see that the photo has not lost its resolution. It is still very clear. The quality is very good, not at all poor, and we have reduced the size of this photo approximately 95%. And in this way we can compress the photos offline and online and on both the platforms, that is iOS and Android. Thank you everyone. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new topic. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.